Muted. Well, hello. Time to continue working on the things project, on the Jarvis project. So there were a couple things I wanted to do here. So first and foremost, let me close all of the things that don't. Oh shit! What? Right. Let's activate the GPT character thing. I made some changes, so I hope it's still working. What is it doing? Okay, wait. Let me restart. In the meantime, I can go check here. This one goes to -1. And then, oh, perfect. So, nice. That should now work. Just check.
Test successful.
Nice. Okay. It is working. Everything perfect. So, where was I? Right, setting things up. I don't think I was anywhere in particular. Do I have anything open that doesn't need to be open? That doesn't need to be open. That neither. And I think that's fine. Okay. So, right, the first thing I wanted. Okay, wait, I can actually close these things as well. And open the folder. Yep, that's fine. Also, I should probably make the music a little quieter. I mean, I will just do so because it's loud for me. Anyways, I was not in this one, in scripts, right? I wanted to go into OpenAI chat, and I remembered that I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo, and I will upgrade that to GPT 4 Turbo, because I feel like it's not the best idea to not use the best model for this. Like for the TTS character thing that pops up every now and then over there. It's fine if I use the worst model, because I don't know. Then it's usually more entertaining even. But like for writing code, it's probably best to use the best thing. So let's also reduce temperature a bit. Let's say 0.7. Now. I also, wait, I made a Trello to remember what I wanted to do. I don't know, and I don't know too. Perfect. Important Trello. Okay. Okay, oh yeah. But exclude markup and code blocks. That was one thing that some guy in my, I think in the TikTok comments suggested, which was, instead of saying don't use quotation marks, say don't use markdown or code blocks, because I think that's what it's trying to do when it's using free quotation marks. Like if it's going, then that is, I think, how it tells the ChatGPT website that it's a code block. Stuff like that. So let's just I mean, I can still keep that sentence markdown or code blocks. Let's just do it like that. So, done. Perfect. So, there were some things that I wanted to do. So, okay, let's write them down. First, I wanted to fix import thingy. What I mean with that is, if it writes broken Python code to a new file, like whenever it writes code to a file, it automatically gets imported. And if it wrote something broken, then it imports the broken thing anyways, and then the entire thing crashes. So that's one thing that I need to... Should I put that in feature or in Polish? Yeah, doesn't matter. So yeah, that's one thing that I need to fix. And there was something... I mean, there were a lot of other things as well. There was something that I felt like was important. Oh, right. There was something in the TTS characters thing. Yes, Polish, which was trigger by file size instead of edit time. What that means is currently that program like writes everything that gets written with... Wait, I didn't... Oh, whoops. I just remembered I didn't update the stream title. Okay, anyways. I think I did on YouTube, right? Yeah, I did. Just not on Twitch. Whoopsie. Yes, okay, that one I can close as well. So what's happening if you write exclamation point TTS or exclamation point AI, then like the text gets written to a file, and the program checks this file when it was last edited, and like it compares that value to the last value that it knows where it was edited, and if it was edited more recently than the last time that it knew it was edited, then it would trigger the thing and like read the text-to-speech message or like answer the thing. And that is fine, but I realized that since it takes quite a while to generate the sentences then, or like whatever it wants to say, it could be like if it gets triggered 3 times in quick succession, then it might fail. Then like it might only trigger twice, and then like one thing would just get stuck in queue and like never get out of there. Or like the thing wouldn't never get out of there, but like the next time it gets triggered, that thing will get used instead, and so on. And that, yeah. So not an urgent problem, because it doesn't really get used that quickly usually. But now that I said it, it will probably break within an hour or something. But yeah, that's something I should fix at some point. So, but there was something else I wanted to fix about Jarvis, but I don't remember right now. Which is why I made the Trello board, so next time I do remember I can write it down. Yeah, for Polish, better string, like, how do I call it? Better check for functions and arguments. What I mean with that is currently, let me pull that up. Wait, I can close that thing. There's the, yeah, here. Currently, in the style guide for the thing, it says, yeah, do that if you want to call a function, like use curly brackets, then the function name, then colon, semicolon, colon, which is specified because there's no way you use that usually. And then like in brackets all the variables it wants to use, separated by smaller than and then colon and greater than. Yeah, so like basically that's, I guess it works, but like it's a point of failure. And like if you're working with large language models, you want to have as few points of failure as possible. So I should probably at some point fix that. So, and like if I improve the way I check these messages, then I can like get rid of all of that basically. Yeah. And there was something. Oh yeah. String together functions. That was an important feature, so that it can like say call this function and like with the output of that function call the other function. And on that note, check which arguments a function takes. So currently it can check which functions it has available, but it doesn't like it. I mean, I think first of all it can't give. Actually, I think it could give some values to the function, even though that system is broken. Give arguments to functions. Yeah, so good that I remembered that. But back to that. Currently it can check which functions it has available, but it doesn't know what it has to give to those functions to actually work. So we need a way to check which arguments the function takes. And yeah, and I think I should probably start with like giving arguments to functions or the input thing, or probably let's do that. Give arguments to functions. Actually, it would be actually it would be smart if I did like both at the same time, or like yeah, they sort of go hand in hand. Like if I implement this one smart, then like this will feed into the other one. Also this one sort of. Yeah. So let's start with it. Let's start with that. Check which arguments a function takes. In Python, is there any way to at runtime check which arguments a function expects? Like if it looks like this, def sum a b, I want to print a b. Sort of a weird way, but like because Python is like what's it called? Like because AB don't have a fixed form. Like if I do that, it would work whether I give it a number or a word or something. Because of that, I think it's probably a little more complicated than it would be in like C++. There I could just read the function name and like what's in between those brackets, and then it would say like int a or something, and then I would know it expects an integer. But like in Python, you just write a, so it could in theory take everything, but like further down it would crash and everything. Oh, okay. So that's a new library again. Oh, right. I didn't open the... Wait, do I have that somewhere in here? No. I have a dedicated Python script to just test random stuff. So let's do that. Let's see. Function arguments AB. Okay, that's a good first step. So that is assuming. Oh wait, what? Ah, okay. Okay, first of all, that only works properly if like because ChatGPT writes the functions itself, it would have to like give, in this case, A and B a good name so that it later knows what that has to be. Like it, of course, it would be ideal if it did like this, which a lot of programmers do, and say arguments A int B int return int, something like that. Like that would be great. I'm trying to get it to do that, but but I should probably program it so that it works even if it doesn't do that. That said, get it to describe the functions and like do the input and output type thing. I hope I remember what all of this means. So, and I also hope that I can figure out how to implement that, because in my case the function is not in the same. Wait, I can just go script and like do this test2.py and then like throw the sum function in here, and then I can test if that thing works. Also, wait, did I remove something from here? Wait, did I? Oh yeah, the inspect. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Then I can go from script import test2 and then print success, so that we know that that works. If I remember correct, then test2.sum. Was it like this? Oh. 1, 2. That seems okay. Success. Function arguments iterable and start. What? Test2.sum. Does this work? Oh, A and B. I don't know where it got iterable. Oh, it's some maybe like a inbuilt Python function. Okay, probably. Okay, anyways. So that's very, very good, because that's exactly basically how I would have to implement it. Even though that argument will be a little harder to build. Function, search function. Def check arguments. So it does that basically. And it should also return the arguments. What does this? I think it probably does that, right? Like this, right? Okay. I just have to figure out how to. Okay, wait. Here. Okay. I think it would be smart if I like included. Do I like whenever I check which functions there are, do I also look up what they take? We just do that and like or do I give it an extra function to if I give it an extra function, so if I say like, okay, here's the check functions thing, and then like do another one to check the arguments, then it would have to go like ChatGPT to the program check functions, and it gets the return. Then it would have to go check arguments, then it gets the return, and then it can call the function. But if I just say when you check functions, you also get the variables you have to give it. That would be one less call, which would be computationally smart, but a bit more complicated to implement, I think. Wait, is functions? Where is this defined? Wait, this. Okay, it's a dictionary. Okay, let me do that again. Let me print that for once. Okay, run Jarvis. Then I will also see if my hotkey keyboard works this time. Oh yeah, it updated that thing. Okay, and then pause the music. Which button was it again? I think this one. Hey, Jarvis, can you check which functions are available for me? Didn't say anything. Or did it say something in a I mean, wait. Speak? Why did the speak function not trigger? Oh wait, the speak function did trigger, but streamer bot fucked up, I think. Wait, action queues, action history. Yeah, this one fucked up. Why did this one fuck up? Nope, that's wrong. Where's Jarvis thing? Jarvis talks here. Oh. Why did this break? Do I not have a folder for that? Wait. Programming, streaming, data, generated audio files, Jarvis. There it is. And there's also the audio file that just tried to say. The audio file might be broken. Size on disk 0, okay. What the fuck happened to that audio file? Okay. Anyways, generated audio files. Do I not? Why is there no watcher for the thing? I'm very sure that I did build a watcher for this, but let's fix that real quick. Audio files, Jarvis, here. Okay. And we use Jarvis. And I think we need created. Yes, we need. Okay, wait, so I need to remove that anyways. Favorite triggers. Nope. Okay, file folder watcher. Created. And Jarvis. And I think that'll do. Wait. Oh. Wait, why is this? Oh, it's trying to... Did I fuck that up? Why is it trying to call the latest wave when I here like gave it numbers? Did I like start rewriting things and then like not continue? What the fuck am I doing? Okay, wait, let me real quick. Okay, wait, let me use the previous one. And also like throw it in the thing here. So that should have triggered it, and full path is what I need for it. Sound file to play is just full path. Right? This should do it, I think. So if I now delete this and paste it again.
To barter off, here are the functions currently available. 1 add underscore numbers.
Okay. Yes.
2 print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome. 3 call underscore for underscore follow. 4 hello underscore world. 5 multiply underscore 1 underscore 2. 6 add numbers and test underscore function.
Ah, that's actually
7
the latest
speak underscore
thing
positively
it said?
underscore about underscore c underscore otters. 8 subtraction. 9 printist.
Okay, interesting.
Please let me know if you would like to use any of these functions or if there's something specific you need help with.
Okay. Now. Functions.value. Okay. That's a bit weird, but we can live with that. The keys are the... Wait, are the keys the file names or the function names? I think it should be the file names, that would make sense. Yeah, it should be the file names. So I should be able to go... the key dot the function name. Okay. And then like for the... like just append to the function name. Like, okay, wait. Oh, wait, I don't even have Paint open. I just realized. My bad. I'm sorry for the flashbang. Let's do it as always. Set the secondary color. And wait, was it this one? Oh, right. Fuck. This always opens some weird help function. Some Microsoft help thing. Anyways, so what it's currently doing is we have like a file name. I should make that a figure thing. File name, and like if we call that, we get the functions that are in that file. That could be multiple. Function 1, function 2, like this. So now I need to somehow attach to that thing the arguments. I'm thinking about how I do that. Do I just like take the name of the function and like A, B, like that, and give that to Jarvis? That might be worth a try. So, fill up T. Okay, let me just try to implement that. Why the fuck is that open? Where the fuck is the thing? Ah, here. Okay. So, I should probably like throw it back over here. So, in the check functions thing, I should. Let's do in the check functions. Oh, right. In here, like at the end, maybe call check arguments. And here we just do that in a loop. For keys, key, arg, in functions. I know these are like global variables, so I probably wouldn't have to do it like this, but anyways. Wait, how did I do that in here? In dot items, key value. That's not what I mean. How do I iterate? I want a for loop within a for loop, out the for loop over keys of a dict, and inner loop over each value over the values of the key. When Subnautica stream? Never. Probably. I don't know. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. But that shit is way too scary. Also, like... Okay, wait. When was the last time I played Subnautica? Oh shit, I don't have Steam open. The last time I played Subnautica is quite a while... Oh, okay, wait, I also need to close that. Is quite a while ago, so I would once again start over probably. And that means I would have to start over again. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely we got distraction counter +1, for sure. God damn it. Stop the down. Okay, there is no download. When was the last time I played Subnautica? Or like started it? June 16, 2023. What? I thought it was like a month ago. Okay, more than a month. But like, I thought it was a couple of months ago, not like almost a year. The fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Like, I feel like that was like in December or something. Like the last time I played and like streamed it to you on Discord. Weird shit. Anyways. That works. But like, wait, what does this do if there's like... if there's like a word? Hello. Does it still work? No it doesn't, fuck. That's what I feared. Can you make it work if this is the dict? Okay, let's see what it did. If is instance. What does is instant do? Wait, first of all, let me check if it worked. It did. What does this do? Oh, flashbang. Save preference. Oh wait, it checks if it's a... Oh, only if it's a list or tuple. That's fine. Wait, actually it should always be a string. So it should never go in there. Actually, oh no, wait, it can be a list. If it's multiple functions, then it's a list. Fine. That's fine. So, let's copy it over. Why the fuck did this not indent correctly? Functions. Okay, we don't want to print it, we want to do things with it. Here we want to have the check. You want to have the check, and here also. Value functions. Wait. For value in functions. Oh wait, if is instance, then do that thing. Otherwise, okay. So here I need functions key. Like I need the key dot the function or something like that. Wait, how do I do that in the call function thing? Okay, imported modules, module name. Import error. Okay, wait. Function get attribute. Okay. Can I like do that? Can I? Okay, wait. Let me split this to the right. Now, can I like go and say, wait, let's implement it for just the thing. This thing, this one, and also give that the color, I don't know, pink is easy to see, I guess. Also we need the import modules. Input data is not none. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, function name and module name. So module name should be the key. Module name is equal to key, and function name is equal to yeah, just functions of key. And then we try this. Okay, and then this gets called check functions. Okay. And then let's also throw a print after in here, so we know if it worked. Like, there's a high chance that this doesn't work, I would say. But let's see. We can always get surprised. Can you check which functions are available? So
Certainly, I'll check the available functions now.
okay, so it crashed, but it got through. What? Non-type. Oh. Oh. Right, because it returns this thing instead of. Wait, let's keep that, but like comment it out and return functions. Right, okay, but it made it through somehow. What did it do? Skip because list, skip because list, skip because list. Okay. It skipped all of them because it thought it was a list. Wait, what? Why did it skip all of them? It might actually trigger again. Yes, it did.
Of course, I will check the available functions right now. The available functions include adding numbers, printing messages, calling for follow-up, multiplying specific numbers, and speaking positively about sea otters, among others.
Okay,
How may I assist you using these functions to barter off?
So wait, then it might actually work with like this version. Right, doesn't check. For value, and like that's just value. Does this work? It might. Okay, let's see. Hey, can you check which functions we have available?
Of course, to barter off.
Hmm.
I will check the available functions now. We have several functions available to barter off. Here's a summary. Add underscore numbers, adds numbers together. Print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome, prints a message about tapers. Call underscore for underscore follow, might be related to social media actions. Hello underscore world, prints a classic greeting. Multiply underscore 1 underscore 2, multiplies the numbers 1 and 2. Add numbers and test underscore function, these seem to be separate functions. Speak underscore positively underscore about underscore sea underscore otters, prints positive statements about sea otters. Subtraction, performs subtraction between numbers. Printist, a function that likely tests the print capability. Let me know if you want to use any of these functions or need more information about them.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool. So wait, function arguments. Wait, what did I print? Check argument. So function argument. Okay, wait, I printed key. Oh shit, I did. Okay, wait. Printed key, then functions of key. Like this one is the interesting one because here it actually found arguments. Which one was it? Function. Okay, key script. There it found add numbers and test function. Add numbers seems to have A and B. Test function doesn't seem to have anything. Okay. So it seems to be working, right? Okay, just to, oh wait, I can actually just go here. Open script. Add numbers A, B. Amazing. So now I can just like append whatever I need. Let's throw that back in here. So like this. Actually, wait. Let me keep that for now and do it like this. Actually, wait. I should. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. And here. Can I? How do I append this though? Can I just go and say functions of key? Oh wait, I don't have this enumerated. Okay, so I think I have to enumerate this so I know which thing to edit. Does this work with strings? Probably not, right? Let's do this. Plus this. And then at the end, let's do print just to make sure it did what I wanted to do. Here, okay, now I need, wait, that's the wrong browser. Wait, how do I enumerate this? Oh, okay, wait. Okay, so I go I value in enumerate should be like this. So let's try that. Don't reload. Can you check which functions we have available?
Certainly, to barter off. I will check the available functions now. We have several functions available to barter off. Here are some of them. 1 add underscore numbers and add numberser, b, to perform addition. 2 print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome and printist, for specific print statements. 3 call underscore for underscore follow, likely a social media related function. 4 hello underscore world and multiply underscore 1 underscore 2, basic programming demonstrations. 5 speak underscore positively underscore about underscore sea underscore otters, to generate positive statements about sea otters. 6 subtraction, to perform subtraction. Please let me know how you would like to proceed or if there is a specific function you're interested in using.
Let's try that again. But that looked pretty good, except I forgot to add brackets. Can you check which functions we have available? Oh. I mean, it's
we have several
fine.
Functions available to barter off. These include basic arithmetic operations like add underscore numbers and subtraction, specific functions like multiply underscore 1 underscore 2 and add numbers, as well as functions to print messages or call for actions, such as hello underscore world, print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome, and call underscore for underscore follow. There are also more specialized functions like speak underscore positively underscore about underscore sea underscore otters. How would you like to proceed?
I feel like I should wipe those functions at some point. But hey, now it has a way of knowing what the arguments should be. Or like, what they're called at least. And it has to guess what the arguments are then. But that's good. I think we can accept that. Like should I like make a check for... Nah, I think it's actually fine if it also gets like brackets at the end for functions that don't get arguments, because then it at least knows that they don't get any arguments. So... Okay. So I guess checking arguments is implemented. Done. Give arguments to functions is the next, I guess. I mean, this one... Okay, wait. If I now go and say... Wait, that was in the script function, right? Okay. Okay, let's do this. And it should have re-imported that. Did it re-import it? Right. Okay, I think that means it re-imported it, because that seems like that might be in one of the scripts. Some of one too. Yeah. Because here it calls the thing. Okay, so it re-imported it already, so what's it called? Can you call the add numbers function with the numbers 8 and 5?
It seems that there is a function named addNumbers, A, B, available. Shall I proceed to call this function with the numbers 8 and 5?
Yes, please. Does it do it? Ah, missing 2 regard position. Oh yeah, fuck. I didn't implement that yet. Or did I? No, it just gave it the string, I think. I think I didn't implement that. Whoops. My bad. I think that is my bad. But at least it didn't crash, I guess. Yeah, but like it tried it and it formatted it correctly and everything. How do I do it? I might actually wait. I might tell it to reformat that. Wait. Let me just show you what I mean. I might tell it to, like, instead of writing that, which is exactly what I told it to write, to like say like this, and then like the function that checks what ChatGPT said, then like just transfers it into whatever it says, or like tries to at least. But like, wait, I wrote a function string to data, which is a very stupid function, but it might work if I just throw it in there. Okay, no. I should just straight up delete that one, actually. Okay, but like I should rewrite it to do that. And then I guess I also sort of do... Wait, no, I don't do that. Better check. These sort of go hand in hand now. So let's do those two at once. Like if I rewrite the function check and like if I tell it to format it like this and then rewrite the check, then like that's, yeah, that makes sense to like do both at once. Now search function calls. Okay. How do I do that though? So the current thing. Wait, let me just let's do a bit of rubber duck debugging, or Twitch chat debugging as I call it. The current way it does this thing is like it checks for the bracket, then like the function call. Wait, let's make that a T. Then that separates it, and that's like the argument. Let's call it argument 1, and then it does like this ridiculous thing, and argument 2, and that is in those brackets. I think that's how it formats it currently, and like then curly brackets again. So that function like checks where is this, then it splits it here. Wait, so first it checks this. Wait, I should do that in a different color. First it checks this, then it splits it here, right? Function call. Okay, it finds this. That is not important right now. Oh, then it actually... Okay, no, it's not that one second. This one is second actually. So it checks this, and then it knows, okay, in between there's something interesting. And then I think it splits it. Yes. Content is string of that. Oh no, wait, this content is not string of that. This content is string with these indexes. And the parts get split by this thing. And then it just does that over and over again, right? Yeah, and then just it just takes that and says this goes in here, this goes in here, and then it knows like that's the function, that's the arguments and everything. So that's what it does currently. Now, how do we improve that? Let's make a little bit of space here. What the fuck? Ah, nice. What would be better is if it like did, I mean, we can keep the curly functions and function names can't have a like comma or whatever. Yeah, I think function names can't have a comma, so I can just do data. And like just like again check these and then search for the first comma. The thing before that is the function. Okay, wait, so let's do 1, 2, 3. Let's show that this should be from the start. And then the data. The data. Let's actually get rid of this thing here. And data should be of the form like int, whoops, that was the wrong button. Int of, I don't know, this. String hi and list int 1 int 2, like this, for example. And do I just go and like how do I do this? I guess look at like this is a string basically. Do I start from the left and like see which word the first one could be, potentially? Like I can't just go and split by commas, because then like we have a split there which is good, we have another split there which is good, and we have a split there which is bad, because that's all of that's in the list. So we have to first like check which word there is before it. I could go and say check like search this bracket, and then like go and take everything in front of that and see if, and try to turn it into that data. Like if it's just an integer or a string, that would work. Also then I should probably call it str, because that's the string. That's how you turn it into a thing. Or like, actually let's go number 1, number 2, find the second bracket, take the thing in between and try to turn it into the thing before it. Then when that is done, get rid of that, or like save it somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. Remove the comma somehow and do it all over again. If it is a list though, or like it might be a dictionary at some point, and I'm a bit scared of that because then we need the curly brackets. Let's ignore the dictionary thing for now and write that in here. Make dicts work with the GPT input string thing. Yeah, we can worry about it later. If it's a list, then search for that one. Actually, then like count brackets. What if the string has like brackets in it? That's not good. Okay, I think we need to like manually count brackets. And then I don't need a comma in between them. So like basically say whenever we have as many brackets closing as there are opening, then that is the thing we are looking at. Because here we have like one opening bracket, here we have a second opening bracket, and if we just search for closing brackets, then we will find this one. But if you then say, okay, closing bracket, and then we have another opening bracket, we close another one, and this one here is actually the closing brackets for this, then everything should be fine. And that should also work for strings, unless somehow in a string we have a closing bracket and then an opening one. So like, if ChatGPT wants to CLI attack me, then it could do that, but let's assume it doesn't. Probably not a healthy thing to do that, but like, let's just assume it doesn't. Just in case you don't know what a CLI attack is, it's called a command line injection, I think, which is basically if, let's say, you try to search something in YouTube, and if the search list wasn't like filtered properly, you could say, for example, instead of, or like you say, you say some text, and then like semicolon, and then YouTube thinks what you're searching is over, and just treats the rest of what you enter as like code that it should that it should execute. So if you say text and then like I don't know, leak data or something, I don't know. So that's the basic idea. Why am I explaining this? I don't know. Has nothing to do with the rest of it. But yeah. So if ChatGPT puts closing brackets into a string and then afterwards then this way of doing it would just assume that the string is over, and then it will most likely break. I don't really see a way it could do anything harmful with that. No, I don't think it could do anything harmful with that. So how about I just implement that? And if implement that, I mean ask ChatGPT, give me an code that takes a string as input and finds matching brackets in there. So a string might be hello. This is irrelevant. This not. This is. And I want to find the first opening. Not the first one. The indexes that fit together. Let's hope it understands that. Okay, so basically you just have to loop it. There seems to be no quicker way than doing that. Oh wait, that's actually just you don't. Wait, what? Okay. Return matches. Okay. Okay, actually, like it looks like it's working, but I'm a little bit confused as in some of the details. Let's open that back up so the overlay works. Like if it does that, oh wait, no, stacked. Oh, that gets called by matches. Okay. Let's just run it. Okay. Ah, okay, that's actually pretty cool. That's actually smarter than I would have done it. So let's call it V1 def search function calls lead. 2. Put it in here. So okay, I can't just do it like this, but should I make that its own function? Probably, right? Although I shouldn't call it v2, but just this so it doesn't break anything. Def and matching bracket string like this. So could I use the same thing to make dictionaries work? Probably. Okay, wait. Let's do bracket style, then we can reuse it and just say the standard is string like this. Then we go bracket style 0, because if I do it like this, I can reuse the same function for other types of brackets. Search function calls. Separate. Oh, whoops. That should be a comment. At first comma. Also, that should be in a loop. And is false while and while not and like this. Results. Just to make sure that I don't forget that, let's put that in here right now. So we have to search the function call, which we do. But okay, let's do that by find matching brackets, string, and like this. So that that gives me the indexes where the curly brackets start and finish, like as a pair. Also, that could just be like a list instead of a dictionary. What if I did that? like a list of lists here. Like that would still work, right? Let's see. Yes. Exactly the way I wanted to. Because lists are a bit easier to work with. So, refill T. So, now we sort of need to check if there's like wait, does it come sorted? Okay, it comes sorted, but like in the wrong way. Is there an easy way to rearrange lists from back to front? So like last index is first etc. Make it work with lists of lists. Yeah, maybe it figures it out. That's not what I want. But keep the inner lists in the original order. Values in the inner list. Okay, maybe that does that make sense? Wrong way around. That's reversed. Wait, what does? Wait, let me check something. If I go in here, print reversed. Oh, this. What does it print? Oh. Can I dot reverse? Does that work? None. So it doesn't. That will fail. Python lists reverse. What does this do? Okay. Wait, does it maybe just not work because it's list of lists? Is that the problem? Nope. The hell? Oh wait, do I need to... Does that work? Yes, that works. Now if I do that. That is exactly what I want. Perfect. So let's actually go back here. So I want to check something. And that will... none. Fuck. Oh. Right. Same thing as before. So. Perfect. Okay, now we got it ordered. What does this get me though? I don't know. Actually, I will take a short break here, and then we will continue. My fucking pause timer doesn't work again. God damn it. Okay. 1 second. Where's the thing? Here. Perfect. Be right back. I'm back. Nice. I don't know why the pause timer thing doesn't work. That is deeply annoying. Wait, why is it working? Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, it's not working if I'm in VS Code though. Okay. That is annoying. But like it didn't work in OBS when I left. I don't know. Time to eat some chocolate. Time to check if everything's working. Seems to be fine. Nice. Okay. Let me actually open it up and put it in here. So, I thought about it, and I think I have an idea how to use this now. So, first we find matching brackets. Catch it in the matching curlies thing. Then for IJ in matching curlies. Just start end. I need a way to check if there's a dictionary in there. Like I can't just iterate over all of them, because if there's like brackets within brackets, then I just go do things with that one and then do things with that one, and that will break everything and destroy, I don't know, America or something. How do I check? Do I need to make a new variable for that? That'll be annoying. Okay. That doesn't work either. I thought about like checking if the first index is in order and the second index is in order, because then everything's good. But like, what if not? I need to program this right. I mean, I could just delay it, because like it will take a while until it tries to give dicts to something. But like I should do it properly. But wait, no. It should be... Actually, if it's using dicts, then it should also use like this way of doing it. So it should write dict of key value. Like there's a chance that it will... There's actually a high chance that it will ignore that way and like just like write lists like this and dicts like this. But I think I'll ignore it for now. So... call equals string, let's do it like this. String I to j, something like that. It should be rather similar to this thing here. Okay, start index plus, wait, why is it +1 here? Oh, right. In Python is string to 5 is 2 and 5 inclusive or exclusive? I think the first one was inclusive and the last one exclusive. Index has 2, 3, and 4, right? Which is exactly what I just said. Now, so the first one needs +1, so we avoid the bracket. Now, we want to find the first comma and take everything before that and call that function. Wait, isn't just like... Yeah, does the find thing not just do that? Wait, I think that works, right? Split index is current string dot find like that. And that I think delivers only the first one. Now if split index is equal -1, that means it didn't find it. Print didn't find split. What the fuck? Okay. Also printed in red. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Otherwise, current function is equal to I, which is the start index, to, or like I plus 1, which is the start index, to the split index. Okay, and then we have to look at the data. Now also here, check before. Here we have to do something because it might try to say something before the first thing and forget to use the speak function again. Right, what happens if there's none of them? Oh, okay, actually let's check before it. So I think I can just copy paste that. Also to this. Then end is actually true if it doesn't find anything. And if it does, then it just continues and we don't care about the start index. Also let's... Yeah, no, let's keep that as its own variable. So we do that. And So the current function is that. Now, how do we handle the data? I think it should just be find matching brackets of current string, and we search for round brackets. I'm a bit worried because there's I think that's broken, because if you do print, then you can use that to like format things. So it will show. Oh, it doesn't show empty. Does that actually work? Wait. I was sure it wouldn't. Damn. Okay. Never mind then. Never mind then. So. Can get rid of the white space here. Wait, that doesn't need to be a loop then, though. Yeah, that doesn't need to be a loop. So I don't need that, and I don't need that, and I don't need that either. Because just it like searches all of them and then iterates over them anyway, so no need to loop. Okay. I just thought of something. This, like, if there's text that's outside of brackets, then I need to okay, I'll worry about it later. First of all, find matching brackets. Let's do it like this. Okay. Now now I need to check if they're within each other. Because we might have a list of an integer or something like that, and then we have open, open, close, close. If that makes sense. But like, we only have to check that if it's a list in theory. Also, let's do rest string is equal to current string from split index plus 1 to the end. So we only, or like, let's call it argument string, because then we get rid of the function. So, and here we look at argument string. Now, let's iterate for KL in matching rounds. if k, wait, if argument string, like actually, rest string makes more sense. I could have done it quicker, but I didn't. So if rest string up until k equals int, that is excluding k, then do things. Bup, bup. Elif, if it's string, then do other things, and if it's list, then do complicated things. And I think with the list it would probably be good to do some recursion. But then I would have to create a function for the thing. If I throw all of that into its own function, I could solve this with recursion probably. Current argument equal to list. Current argument dot append int of rest string k to l. Right? K is included, so +1. Same thing for string. Now, list will be more complicated, because for list we have to basically step in here again and do the same thing over and over again. Which is why recursion would be great. How do I rewrite that so, yeah, recursion would actually be probably easier. What did I do? Oh, oops, that's within the thing. Def convert variables. Okay, return variable. Actually, now, okay, let's pause the music and think about this for a second. I need to basically the entire rest string thing, right? Or like here. No, matching rounds. Like this. Okay, now we need rest string and matching rounds. Convert variables. Rest string, matching rounds. This. And then current argument is that. And results depend current function, current argument. Like this. So, current argument, to get that, we have to be a little bit clever. Wait, does it still work even though I put it into a different function? So the rest string, we check that. Oh, we don't have k. Oh wait, we do have k. Right, that works. So we check the round ones. So we check if it's an integer. Does it just work? Can I just like go and say convert variables, rest string, matching rounds? No, I don't think I can just do it this simply. I think, like, first of all, I need to cut the rest string somewhere. Actually, I should not cut the rest string, because then the indices will be wrong, which is not good, because that means I also can't do that. So I cannot do that. I can, however, I would need a last variable here. Last is equal to L. And here we start last with 0. And then we have to go last to K. And then we would have to hope that there is nothing in between the like if the string is then like int 5 list idk, or like actually that shouldn't be that bracket. We then have to hope that there is not like a space in between them or anything, which again is something I can tell ChatGPT, but it will eventually ignore that and break things. Hey, thanks for the follow, Groovepunk. Hope you like what you're seeing. Are you self-taught? No, sort of, a bit. Like, I learned some of the like fundamentals in school, and also a bit in university, but like...
A warm welcome to the Tapir tribe, Groovepunk. As the newest member of this unique community, you are about to embark on a fascinating journey through the digital wilderness of Twitch. Here, the Tapir tribe thrives on camaraderie, positivity, and a shared love for all things gaming and beyond. May your interactions be merry, your conversations lively, and your presence a delightful addition to this diverse ecosystem.
Okay, nice. The follow messages, the welcome follow messages work. Anyways, where was I? Yeah. So like I learned some fundamentals in like school and in university, but like a lot of the things here I am basically self-taught or like asking ChatGPT a lot. Like I learned how to use like basic basic data types like lists and integers and strings and stuff like that I learned in school, but like I think we didn't even learn dictionaries and stuff like that, or like how to use an API and stuff like that, you know. That's basically self-taught then. So a bit of a mix, if we want to call it that. So that's a bit of a headache though here. I can't just do that. I mean, even if we assume that it's formatted correctly, this doesn't work. So you're creating functions. You do not remember everything, but you understand the core concepts of Python. But you cannot remember every single method and blah blah, right? Yes, basically. Like in school we had like some basic stuff, but like the more advanced it gets, the more it's like self-taught basically. So like we sort of laid a groundwork of like stuff you have to do all the time, like I don't know, calculate something with numbers and like manipulate strings and like put it into lists and I don't know, sort lists and stuff. But like, you know, stuff like importing a million different libraries and like calling them. I mean, importing libraries, yeah, we sort of went over that, but like stuff with API. I've never worked with APIs in school or something like that. And yeah, dictionaries, I don't know. The more advanced it gets, the less I know from school, and also the less I know in general. But like, that's not the idea right now. So, where was I? So I was in convert variables. Now, how the fuck do I? Okay, I think I need to draw things to like understand what I'm doing again, because I confused myself successfully again. So what we're doing is we are looking at like something that's built like some string that is built like this. Wait, without commas, string hi and whoops, list let's say 5. Oh wait, actually that would also be int of 5 string of, let's say hello is in here, and then it might be another list with whatever the fuck is in there, and this. So like I feel like I have to use recursion for this, because otherwise how would I deal with this list? But basically, for now, we're checking. Wait, let's do it in a different color. Right now, I'm checking these. Like, okay, wait. Actually, I check all of the matching brackets, and then like I just look at the first one, and I'll look at what's before that. If it's int, then we convert that thing in here to an integer. If it's string, we convert that thing here to a string. So far so good. we can ignore that. That should work. Now, with list, how do I do that? Basically with list, I would have to call the same function again, but like with only this string. And I would also have to run the matching brackets as well. Okay, actually, okay, that makes sense. That works. This gave me quantum mechanics PSD because it looks like a bunch of bracket vectors. Oh no, bracket vectors are terrible. I mean, they're useful, but what the fuck? Yeah, that's one weird physics notation that, like, I mean, they are quite easy to deal with, I guess. But like, once you're deep enough into physics that you need to use bracket vectors, then like all of the calculations are fucked. Really fucked up. Like, bracket vectors themselves, fine, but like, yeah. Once you're deep enough for doing that, then yeah, the rest of it is painful. So here we have to actually cut the string up. Yes, but once you use the second quantization, they become disgusting. I hope that the second quantization is nothing that was like, that we learned in the level of physics that I had to take, and that is like something that you have to do now. Okay, we didn't do that in the bachelor's degree. Okay, good, because I did not remember that, and I was a little bit worried for a second there. Okay. List rest. Let's call that, and say that's K to L. That's like rest string K to L. Do I need to exclude something? Do I need to do this? Yes, I need to do this. And then we also need to run the find matching brackets. List rest matching, and that is find matching brackets of list rest. So we have the thing. This is list rest and list rest matching. Okay, and I think that could work, because now this only gets like whatever is in the list gets back into like another level of the function, and also we get indices within that, so that should work. And like if then there's another list in there, then it should still work. Okay, I think that actually might work. And append, and we append this entire thing. I'm not convinced. I think it works actually. And I don't, actually I do need the last thing for this. But I'm not a fan of that. But like if I don't do it like that, if I don't do it like that, then I will run into different problems, because then the indices don't work anymore. Okay, but another thing. Now, if we were in the list of lists thing, oh right, fuck. I need to figure out which are within the list. So we can sort of skip those. Oh, so like, how about I only do that if k is bigger than last? Wait, what happens here if k is smaller than last? Time to check it out. Test list is equal to 1, 2, test. Actually, I should like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fill it up properly. Then print test list 4, 5, 2. What does it do? Does it just print nothing? Listing units must just slice in the tuple. Oh, right. 5, 2, like this. Okay, then it's just empty, which is fine, because then just nothing happens. Right. Do I put a debug message there? Yeah. Print temp debug and KL. KL and rest string last K. Just so we know that it doesn't do any weird shit. Now, am I done with this? Like, I think I still need to like search for words between the function calls. Like here. How do I do that? Also, I feel like I've listened through the entirety of this playlist like 100 times. So let's throw on a different one. Which one though? Let's go into this one. So that also probably fits a lot better with like chill coding. Now, I just need to check between the function calls. So I should probably also put like let's do the same trick as I did in the other one. If last minus, if actually the other way around, last bigger, let's say 2, then we do basically this. Actually, I need the entire line. Print found text in between, and then string we do last to I, which should work. And we do the same thing here, last to I. Okay, nice. So that's already a string and it has to be a string, so that's fine. Okay, and I think that's that thing done. If len of current arguments is a 0, then return that, else print empty argument and return none. Because there are some that don't require an argument, so it's probably good to have a special case for that. So, and that was a lot of coding with barely any testing. So I don't have high hopes for this working first try. Also, I'm not sure how I can check it. I mean, actually, wait, I know how to check it. I can just do the thing that I tried before that didn't work because it wasn't implemented. Because now it's implemented. Hey, can you check which functions are available? Why does this hotkey work and the other one didn't before? It cannot. Fuck. Okay. Oh. All right. I forgot to update the style guide. Whoopsie. Right. I need to rewrite actually a lot here. Function data. So for example, speak hello. I should also like, wait, let me back that up. Copy. That's not where I wanted to be. Data style guide backup 2. I don't know what in backup 1 was, but I don't want to destroy it right now or like worry about it. So we just create another one and don't worry about it. Let's do it like this. So example, string hello. Data is a list and write it like this. Function list of type of A, type of B, and that would have to be a round thing as well. We have the same principle. List of type A, type B. Oh wait, did I? I destroyed the list of lists. Whoops. List of type B, type C, close the bracket, and then type D. And that should be the format. Write to file. String. String of that. Can check which functions are available using none. I will have to... Okay. Type can be int, str, or list. Okay, that looks good, I think. Now I just have to deal with none as well. Which I have to do after the split thing. Okay, let's check that in the split. Split index. Current function, rest string. Oh wait, I already split the string here, which will be a problem because of with that thing. Will it? Oh wait, here we used the entire string, here we used the entire string. Current string. Split index. Matching rounds. I don't use matching curlies below that, right? Or I? Current function. I mean, I use it for current function. Is wait, what the fuck is this? Wait, wait, I don't even. There's just an index. There's nothing in here. Whoops. That's a problem. What does this index belong to though? Current string. Current string, and also it should start at 0 and end at the split index, right? Okay, so do we only use current string below that? Find matching rest string. Okay, only rest string, so we find brackets. We use that thing. So it's append, current function, I think that should work. That said, I would have to go rest string. If rest string is none, then just return none. Or like, I should make an extra case for if it's none, or like if there's no brackets. Wait. Shouldn't it be able to handle no brackets? I mean, I know I just added that thing. But wait, non-type objects not. For I in matching curlies. Matching curlies is... Oh. Yeah, we already got none. And that's not a good point to get none. and found matching curlies. Matching curlies. Okay, let's run it again. See where it breaks now. What the fuck is that? Okay, so it crashed because of a different thing that I expected. Which is not fun. Found matching colors. We didn't find any. But we do have some. Not great. So the find matching brackets thing doesn't work with the curlies apparently. And in search of bracket style. Run it again. So in search of curly brackets. Why don't we find any? Like there are some. Oh, I'm an idiot. The same problem I had before. I thought I fixed that. God damn it. Yeah, I can't put it in the reverse. I have to put it in an extra line. I'm not sure why actually. But yeah. I should have known it. And I did know that. I thought I fixed it, but I didn't. Did I fix it in the testing thing? Okay. So we crash differently at least. That's good. Cannot access local variable last. Did I? Yeah, I forgot. Whoopsie. I need to give that a value before I try doing anything with it. Because what it did there is it tried to calculate I minus last, but like last didn't have any value. It's like, what the fuck was it trying to calculate? Okay, here we got another new way that it crashed, which is an interesting one. In 328 it's... Oh, it's pending... Right, it needs to make a list out of that. Then hopefully this time.
Of course, I'll check the available functions right now.
Nice.
One
Okay.
moment, please.
Oh.
Of course, I'll check the available functions right now.
Why did it say it twice?
One moment, please. Here are the functions currently available. 1. Add underscore numbers. 2. Print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome. 3. Call underscore for underscore follow. 4. Hello underscore world. 5. Multiply underscore 1 underscore 2. 6. Add numbers, A, B. 7. Test underscore function. 8. Speak underscore positively underscore about underscore C
I
underscore
should really like delete a couple
9.
of those so it doesn't always
10.
list all of
Printist.
them.
Let me know if you need any further assistance or if you would like to use any specific function.
Okay, at least it didn't repeat that one. So, why did it repeat the last one? Oh, it found... For some reason there it found 2 calls in there. Like it found the same one twice. Oh! Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened. What it did was it went in here. It checked, like it found that before the first function call, there was already text. So it was like, oh, okay, I have to say that. But then, like in here, it was like, oh, the first function call is like, yeah, it basically it checked again and was like, oh, last is 0. Okay, so basically what I have to do is just like get rid of that, right? Yeah, so what it did there is like it checked if like between the last function call and the current function call there was any text. But because there wasn't a function call before that, and I said the last like starts at 0, then yeah, it just checked the same thing again. Okay, but I think that means I can just delete that, right? So what if it doesn't find anything? Okay, okay, I can delete that one, but I don't think I can delete. Whoops. Wait, what? But I think I need to keep that one in case we don't find anything that we just say things. I think that works. Okay, so did it crash or did it? Oh no, right, it didn't crash, but it just said things twice. Okay, let's stop the function and don't reload the thing, and this time I have to speak again because it didn't crash, which is a weird problem to have. Can you check which functions are available? So, let's see.
Of course, I will check the available functions now.
And I forgot to
Here
delete
are the
some.
functions currently available. 1 add underscore numbers. 2 print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome. 3 call underscore 4 underscore follow. 4 hello underscore world. 5 multiply underscore 1 underscore 2.
I already
6
just,
add
I'm
numbers,
gonna wait
A,
for him to
B.
finish.
7 test underscore function. 8 speak underscore positively underscore about underscore c underscore otters. 9 subtraction. 10 printist. Please let me know if you would like to use any of these functions or if you need further assistance.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, basically you're developing this in console. It has no GUI, right? Yes, indeed, it does not have any GUI, like beyond like that guy popping up on stream. Yeah, but that doesn't count. I don't know, maybe I will add some GUI at some point, but like, I don't know, I've never really programmed anything with a GUI, so I don't know. I'm just trying to get it to work somehow. Cosmetics can be added later if needed. Okay, nice. Actually, right, I wanted to test this one. So let's do that. Can you call the add numbers functions with the numbers 8 and 5? So
it seems there is a function add numbers, A, B, that might do what you need. Shall I proceed with using it to add 8 and 5?
Yes, please. So can it do it? And most importantly, will it?
Certainly. I will now call the function to add the numbers 8 and 5.
That's not what that's like. That's not 8 and 5. That's none. Oh wait, actually it did. It did. Why did it? Okay, so the thing I just. Oh wait, it got into the debug thing, which it isn't supposed to get into. Huh? Wait, it got in here. Why did it get in here? Ah. Int 8. Oh. So it checked. Oh, I didn't reverse that one. Right. Wait, didn't I? Wait, didn't? Isn't that in the find matching brackets, that reverse thing? Why? Wait, why is it? why is it the wrong way around here? Like, the problem here was that it first checked the later brackets rather than the first ones, and that because of that it checked this entire message instead of just int. I think otherwise it could have maybe actually even worked. But why is it reversed here? Like, didn't I need to reverse it because of reasons? Okay, let's just start it again and try it without the reverse. I might have to program a case where it like checks if it needs to reverse or not. Because I thought it always has to reverse, but like now I just found a case where it doesn't have to. Hey, can you check which functions are available? So, oh god, I've got to delete some again.
I will check the available functions now. I've retrieved the list of available functions.
Cool.
Here are some of the options.
What
1 add
like?
underscore numbers, adds
Weird.
2 predefined numbers. 2 print underscore tapers underscore is underscore awesome, prints a statement about tapers. 3 call underscore for underscore follow, initiates a call for follow. 4 hello underscore world, prints hello, world. 5 multiply underscore 1 underscore 2, multiplies 2 predefined numbers.
Wait a sec, what?
6 add numbers, A, B, adds 2 numbers provided as parameters. 7 speak underscore positively underscore about underscore C underscore otters, speaks positively about sea otters. 8 subtraction, subtracts 2 predefined numbers. 9 printist, prints a test statement. Let me know if you need to use any of these functions or need more information about them.
Okay, let's... Okay, so I fixed that in the meantime. Yeah, actually, can you call the function that adds 2 numbers together with the numbers 8 and 5? Let's see what it does now.
Before I proceed, I noticed that there are 2 functions related to adding numbers, add underscore numbers, which seems to add 2 predefined numbers, and add numbers, A, B, which adds any 2 numbers provided as parameters. Since you specified the numbers 8 and 5, we should use add numbers, A, B. Shall I proceed with calling this function using the numbers you provided?
Damn, holy shit. It actually figured out which one of them it should use. Like, it figured out that, like, this one has arguments, and thus it has to use that one if I give it arguments. Amazing. Yes, proceed with that one.
Executing the function to add the numbers 8 and 5.
That's not great. Why did it call it if only 8? What happened there? Like, it did it correctly, but my code sucks. In this case. Debug 9. Okay. Wait, what? Oh. Curly brackets at the start. That's just a wrong index. That is just a wrong index, which, I mean, can be fixed easily. Just saying last plus 1, right? Oh, not necessarily. Last is L plus 1, because the first one works, but then there needs to be L plus 1. Yes, definitely. that should do the trick though, I think. Also the calling thing might be broken, but that's the next thing to debug then, I guess. Hey, can you check which functions are available?
Of course, to barter off. I'm checking the available functions now. Here are the available functions. 1 add numbers, A, B, adds 2 numbers. 2 test underscore function, a test function, its specific purpose isn't disclosed. 3 printist, prints a test message. How may I assist you further with these functions, to barter off?
Can you use the add numbers function to add the numbers 8 and 5 together?
I will use the add numbers function to calculate the sum of 8 and 5.
Okay. So like it did it. But it sort of broke. Okay, why did it fail? So called add numbers and the argument is a list. But like in the function it needs to be 2 individual numbers, so that's probably a problem. Can I generally solve that? That's an interesting one. I mean, I could turn the thing into a dictionary and like say add numbers is the key and then the things. Nah, that wouldn't even solve it. Okay, but I sort of need to iterate over the list and like take all the values one by one. But then if it's only a list, like if the function needs a list, then it would like destroy it. So I could say, okay, maybe I can like tell it in the style guide to like if it's a list, if just make it a list of lists. So like just list, brackets open, list, and then brackets open and do the actual list you want to make. Yeah, that works. List. Work. Whoops. Similarly, is that how you write it? The data is a list rather than just one thing. How do I tell it that properly? Only the outermost list needs to be doubled up, and that also only if the list is the only argument. No idea if that works. Okay, now call Where is that happening? Oh. Right, okay, else, trying my luck, search function. Call function, okay. Now, in the call function thing. Function in the data is none. Is not none. Fixed input equal to that doesn't work though. Wait, what was the was that even the problem? Wait. Okay, I need to debug this thing. I think I don't even need to double up the thing. Wait, if I... Okay, time to test Python things. Def add a b and a plus b. And if I then go and say numbers is equal to 8, 5, add numbers. Does this work? No, as I expected, because it's a list. How can I make this work? Like, I have to make it work here. I can't change the function because the functions get written by ChatGPT and like it will confuse itself and everything. So I have to write this in a way that it can't get destroyed. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Can you make this work generally? Like, how can I call this function if all I get is a list and I can't edit the function itself? Like, it will... Wait, is it that easy? Is it really that easy? It was that easy. Okay. ChatGPT is just way better at programming than I am. And that might actually save it. That could then actually like work. Time to test it out. Hey, can you check which functions are available?
Certainly, to barter off. I will check the available functions now. Here are the functions currently available. 1 add numbers, a, b adds 2 numbers. 2 test underscore function, a test function, purpose unspecified. 3 printist, prints a test message. Is there anything specific you would like to do with these functions, Tabataroth?
Can you use the add numbers function to add the numbers 8 and 5 together?
Let me check if we have the specific function you
It
mentioned.
cannot. What the fuck? Has no attribute a, b. Wait. Okay, that is... I mean, we got closer, I suppose. Oh, I see what went wrong. Because I added the brackets with like the arguments it wants to the functions thing, to the like dictionary, and like the call function thing is trying to call things from the dictionary. It is trying to call a function that is called add numbers brackets a, b, instead of calling a function that is called add numbers. Okay, so I have to get rid of that. Okay, that should be simple, I think. Function. Okay, we can probably actually... Okay, that could be a really hacky solution. Okay. This, and then... Of that, we want to take everything up until a certain index, and that certain index should be what's the function called? Find matching brackets. Find matching brackets of IO. Wait, actually I can just... Why am I doing this like this? I can just go and in the function variable, where was it? Here, search function calls. In here I can just like say get rid of the end. Current function is that. And then current function is equal to current function. Here, find matching brackets. Current function. Okay, that is a bit hacky, but it works. And of that, index 0. Oh my god. This looks so bad. But I think it should do what I want. Like it's taking the name, like it's, okay, let's go inside out. It's searching the function name for brackets, then it's taking the position of the first one. That is where it stops. That is also exclusive, so that works. And like it stops the name of the function there. So it should get rid of like brackets and everything behind that. Okay, that's... I think that works. Okay, let's try again. I have my hopes up now. Right, I need to do that. Oh shit. Yeah, it didn't. That's a problem. Like if it... Like it's... Sometimes it's quite useful that it does... that like it retries the last thing because it didn't update the trigger if it crashed. But like if the last thing I said was referring to the thing before that, then that's a problem. Wait, actually, it just checked the functions, which is actually perfect. Oh, list index of. Okay, never mind. I just wrongfully blamed the thing. Oh, right, because in the check functions, there is actually, because the check functions isn't part of the functions that it wrote, it, yeah, there are no there are no brackets appended, and it actually works. Actually, I can do that with string.find. Like that. That's way better. So if it finds a thing, then it stops at that one. And if not, then it just, okay, perfect. Okay, so yeah, restart. Let's see if this time it also like gets the idea of like, oh, I don't know if I even have that function. Let's check before.
Before I proceed, let me quickly check if the add numbers function is available.
Wait, what did it do? Okay, it's spoke, then check functions. Okay, it spoke. Check function. Oh, wait, it cut off the S, which is why it didn't work. Why did it cut off the S? Oh, because the second thing is exclusive, so the thing that I just wrote here, because this didn't find anything, it defaulted to -1, which is the last index, but because it's exclusive, it cut off the last thing. Okay, so end of function index is, oh, also string.find is wrong. It's current function.find. If end of function index isn't -1, then do that. And otherwise just leave it be, because then it would work anyways. Nice. So that might work. Oh, it didn't crash though, so let's stop it and restart. And actually, let's just skip the check the functions part and just say that it should add the numbers. Hey, can you use the add numbers function to add the numbers 8 and 5 together? So,
of course, I can use the add numbers function for that. Just to confirm, You'd like me to add the numbers 8 and 5, correct?
Yes. It will try to call a function without checking. Wait, it checked actually. Or did it? Oh no, wait. It used. It just assumed. It just assumed the name of the number, which it didn't find. That failed. Can you check if we even have a function like that? Wait, what? It checked? And then something broke. In the checking part? What? Wait, what? Wait, this makes no sense. Oh, did it like recheck and then... I think what might have happened there is that it checked twice, and the second time there was like the bracket thing, which is a problem. Why did I do that? Why did I just throw the brackets on the end? I mean, I can fix it if name.find if that is not -1, then do that. Otherwise, leave it alone. Because that means if it gets checked twice, then the second time it will find the bracket. Find. And then it won't like search for it and try to append things again.
Certainly, I will check the available functions now. It appears that there isn't a specific function named like the one you mentioned. However, we do have functions like add numbers and printist available. Would you like to try using one of those, or should I assist you with something else?
Wait, it doesn't... it didn't... It didn't even do it the first time now. So I must have done it the wrong way around. Wait. Oh, if it is... Yeah. I did it the wrong way around. If it doesn't find one, then do that thing. Okay. Okay. Hey, Can you use the add numbers function to add the numbers 8 and 5 together? So, can it figure it out though? Does it know
To
that
proceed with adding the numbers 8 and 5 together using the add numbers function, I need to confirm that such a function exists.
Yes, you do.
I will check the available functions now.
Perfect, please
The
do.
function add numbers, A, B, is available for use. I will now use it to add the numbers 8 and 5.
Damn, it even automatically did it. It found matching curlies at the 101? What? That's a high index, but I guess it works. Okay. Add numbers, 8, 5. Trying my luck, couldn't find it. An error occurred while calling the function. None. Okay. Call function. So, okay, the error is none. That's not an error that says a lot. Print module name. Okay, wait, let's do it the proper way around. Function name, module name, and print input data. Okay. Slowly but steadily we are getting there. Can you use the add numbers function to add the numbers 8 and 5 together?
I will first check if the function add numbers is available to use for
Good
adding
idea.
numbers. Please hold on for a moment. The function add numbers, A, B, is available for use. I will now proceed to add the numbers 8 and 5 together using this function.
We don't have a module name. Why do we not have a module name? It should get a module name from search for, oh. Oh, does that search within the... Yep, it does. Fuck. Couldn't find it. Okay, that's the problem now. Because in there because in the functions thing it is with curly brackets, but like the call does had the curly brackets removed, it is not working. Oh, this is such a headache. Why did I do it like that? But how else can I do it? How else can I like add the arguments? How can I give it the arguments that it needs? How do I do that? function name in the function is return module name. Okay. So, can you change this code so it also works with partial overlap? What the fuck is it doing? Okay, I'm gonna need a better one. If string in list of strings print success. Okay. That seems to work. What does it do though? String defined in s for s in okay. Let's just use that. String defined, it's function name and module functions. Print, found it, and we tried it again. Oh, whoops, that's still running. Restart. Hey, can you call the add numbers function?
Before I proceed, let me check which functions are currently available to ensure that add numbers is one of them. The function add numbers is available, but it requires 2 numbers as input. Could you please provide the numbers you would like to add?
The number 8 and the number 5, please.
Executing the addition of 8 and 5 using the add numbers function.
Okay. So data is empty. But we found it. So why is our input data empty? Because I don't give it any. Oh my god. I didn't give it any input data. So of course it doesn't have any input data. Man, what the fuck am I doing? Okay, let's restart that. Can you use the add numbers function or whatever it's called to add the numbers 8 and 5 together?
I will need to check if the add numbers function is available and what its exact name is. One moment, please. The function to add numbers is indeed available and it's called add numbers. I will use this function to add 8 and 5 together for you now.
Oh my fucking god, it does it! It did it! Nice. Finally. Only took like 3 hours to fix the thing. Oh my god. Amazing. Okay, so that's actually such a huge step forward. So, can I, in progress, give arguments to function? Works. Better check for functions and arguments. Works. Amazing. We checked 4 things in the to-do list today. Right? Check which... Oh yeah. Oh my god, this was so fucking productive. I love it. Amazing. Okay, but I will leave it at that because it's fucking late. And I also need to still edit a short for tomorrow. Yeah, I didn't do that yet. Anyways. So, was a super productive stream today. And I'll see you around. I don't know when. Maybe tomorrow. Low likelihood. Okay, not so. You will see. Just try the Discord. It's. I will at some point post in the Discord if I will go live or not. Yeah. But that's it. And this time I will disable start timer from the start screen because I still haven't made an end screen for the vertical thing. So I will throw it back there. Okay, but that's it. Bye. Oh, there's the end screen. There we go.